Have you ever wished you had superpowers, like moving things just by thinking? Imagine playing a game or sending a message using only your mind. It sounds like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming reality thanks to brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. BCIs connect our brains directly to computers, turning thoughts into actions. This technology isn't just for fun, it's changing lives. For people who can't move their arms or legs, BCIs can help them control robotic limbs or communicate, restoring independence. We're only beginning to unlock the brain's potential. In this video, we'll explore how BCIs work, what they can do today, and what the future might hold. Get ready to discover a world where biology meets technology, and the line between human and machine blurs. This is about more than circuits and code. It's about using our thoughts to make a real difference. The adventure into the human brain and its digital connection starts now. So, what is a brain-computer interface? Think of it as a bridge between your brain and a computer. On one side, your thoughts and intentions. On the other, a device you want to control. A BCI lets your brain talk directly to technology. No hands, no voice needed. It works by reading the electrical signals your brain produces when you think or imagine an action. Special sensors pick up these signals and translate them into commands a computer can understand. Some BCIs are non-invasive, using caps with sensors on your scalp. Others are implanted for clearer signals. Both types aim to create a seamless link between mind and machine. BCIs don't read your private thoughts, they focus on specific patterns you create on purpose. You learn to think in certain ways to control the device. It's a partnership. You train the technology and it helps you interact with the world. The result? A universe of new possibilities. BCIs are opening doors we never thought possible. How does a BCI listen to your brain? It all starts with neurons, tiny cells firing electrical signals when you think or move. These signals create brainwaves, which BCIs detect using sensors. Non-invasive BCIs use EEG headsets to pick up signals from your scalp, like microphones listening to your brain's activity. Invasive BCIs use electrodes placed directly on the brain for clearer signals. Once the BCI collects your brainwaves, powerful software cleans up the data and looks for patterns. This process, called signal processing, helps the computer recognize when you're thinking "move left" or "click." The computer then translates your thought into a command, moving a cursor, clicking a mouse, or controlling a wheelchair. All of this happens in a split second. It's a dance between biology and technology, where your brain gives the instructions and the computer makes them real. The result, your thoughts become actions. This seamless connection is what makes BCIs so revolutionary. It's not magic, it's the power of science and innovation, and it's only getting better. Teaching a computer to understand your thoughts takes practice, for both you and the BCI. The process starts with training. You imagine moving your left or right hand while the BCI records your brainwaves. The system uses machine learning to spot the unique patterns in your brain activity for each action. At first, the computer makes mistakes, but with repetition and feedback it gets better at predicting your intentions. Over time, the BCI builds a library of your thought patterns. Once trained, you can use your mind to move a cursor, control a game, or type words on a screen. With practice, this control becomes faster and more natural, almost like using your own hands. Your brain adapts, and the technology learns with you. It's a partnership that shows the adaptability of both human minds and machines. The more you use it, the more intuitive it becomes. This training is what makes BCIs personal and powerful. It's not just about technology, it's about unlocking new ways to interact with the world. The magic is in the collaboration between you and the computer. Together, you make the impossible possible. The real power of BCIs is in how they're changing lives right now. For people with paralysis or conditions like ALS, BCIs restore communication, letting them type messages or browse the web with their thoughts. BCIs also help control advanced prosthetic limbs, allowing users to move robotic arms just by thinking. Some have even fed themselves or picked up objects using a mind-controlled robotic arm. In medicine, BCIs help doctors monitor brain activity and even assist in stroke recovery by providing real-time feedback. BCIs are also making their way into gaming and entertainment, letting players control games or drones with their minds. Consumer EEG headsets are making this technology more accessible, offering a glimpse of the future. Whether for independence, therapy, or fun, BCIs are already making a difference. The technology is still evolving, but its impact is real and growing. The future is closer than you think. The future of BCIs is full of possibilities. Imagine controlling your smart home with a thought, lights, music, even your coffee maker. BCIs could help us learn faster by delivering information when our brains are most ready. One day, we might even communicate mind to mind, sharing ideas or emotions without words. These advances could revolutionize how we live and connect. But there are challenges, making BCIs more accurate, reliable, and easy to use. We need better sensors and smarter AI to truly unlock the brain's potential. The journey is just beginning, but every discovery brings us closer to a world where our thoughts shape our environment. The future of BCIs is limited only by our imagination, and that's what makes it so exciting. With great power comes great responsibility, especially with BCIs. Brain data is deeply personal, so privacy and security are crucial. We must protect this information from misuse, hacking, or unwanted surveillance. There's also the issue of fairness, making sure BCIs are accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few. As we merge minds and machines, we need open conversations about ethics and what it means to be human. By addressing these challenges now, we can guide BCIs to benefit all of humanity. The choices we make today will shape the future of this technology. At the heart of BCIs are people users, scientists, engineers, and caregivers. For someone unable to move or speak, a BCI is more than technology, it's a lifeline to the world. Using a BCI takes patience and determination, but every word typed or movement made is a victory. These stories inspire us, showing the strength of the human spirit. BCIs also unite teams from neuroscience, engineering, and medicine, all working together to help others. This collaboration is a testament to what we can achieve when we combine compassion with innovation. BCIs empower, connect, and remind us that technology's greatest purpose is to help people. It's not about replacing humans, but about unlocking new possibilities. The story of BCIs is a story of hope and human potential. We've explored how BCIs turn thoughts into action, giving voice and movement to those who need it most. This is no longer science fiction, it's a reality filled with hope and wonder. As we dream of the future, we must also protect privacy, safety, and fairness. BCIs are tools to lift everyone up, not create new barriers. The real story is about the limitless potential of the human brain. For centuries, we've built tools to extend our bodies. Now, we're extending our minds. The greatest power is already inside your head: creativity, discovery, and compassion. With BCIs, we're unlocking a future shaped by our thoughts, a more connected, empowered world for all.